Hello! In this video I unbox and set up Canon inkjet multifunctional printer PIXMA TS series. I show the following in the video, and for the detailed product review check the video in the upper right corner of the screen. Here are the dimensions of the box. European model TS4150i is used in the video. And here are the dimensions of the device. Let me show first what is in the box after unboxing. You can find more unboxing videos in the playlist on my channel about Canon printers. In a minute I unbox the PIXMA, which is sustainably packed with molded paper. After unboxing, the waste will only be paper and no plastic or styrofoam. You can scan the QR code to start the setup, which I do later in the video. In the PIXMA leaflet you can find information about compatible paper and mobile apps. Creative Park app is coming to an end of life, only available from the website. Also, Canon PRINT App has been updated, and I use it later in the video. In the next part I set up the new printer and connect it to the Wi-Fi. By scanning the QR code, you get online setup instructions. Let's remove the orange materials. I plug in and turn on the printer for the first time. The manual guides me to download the Canon Print App from the App Store. iOS or Android are supported. Search for the printer and few moments later the printer hotspot is found. Follow the next steps to connect the printer to local Wi-Fi network. Connection may take longer than I show in the video. The printer connects to the local network to which my mobile is already connected, so I do not type the network password. About a minute later, the printer is connected and setup guide tells me that the printer needs a setup. Just follow the video. If you print more than 100 pages per month, then I do not recommend cartridge printer. Check one of the G series models in the upper right corner of the screen. The inks have been installed. For a few minutes the printer will make some noise. And now I insert the paper to the paper cassette. First I put in A4 plain paper. The printer has a paper format selector on the operational panel. I can select between A4, letter, 4x6 inch or custom media, which can be defined via printer information page. About printer information page I show later in the video. Let's have a quick test print from the Canon PRINT App. I print with the printer for the first time. And do not skip the last part where I show some important information about the printer settings. In the app, tap the printer icon and then select Printer Information or Utilities. Only first time the authentication is required. I select Easy Authentication Method. Press and hold the Connect button on the printer for about 3 seconds and release. Login has been successful, and before start using the printer I recommend the Auto Print Head alignment. In about a minute the alignment pattern will be printed. And then you place the printed pattern with the face down on the scanner. After reading the pattern, the print head is aligned and my printer setup has been finished. Let's print the nozzle check. The pattern is fine, and additionally you find information about counter and firmware version. This was about printer utilities, and here is the printer information full page, where you can set up everything about the printer. You can set the security settings, media settings, check the detailed counters or update the firmware. This model has no display like TS4150 series in the upper right corner of the screen. And that would be all in this video. Find more about printers on my channel, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe as it is free and helps me to grow the channel and make more content like this in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!